How to repost Facebook stories. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to see how you can easily share someone's story to your own story on Facebook. Let's just get right into it. First thing first, open up your Facebook application. And once you open it up, make sure that you are logged into your account. Then all you have to do is find the story that you want to repost onto your own story. So I'll just get over here and then see this person's story. I'll just tap on view story. All right, so once you have your story, there are two options. So if they have tagged you in a story, you have this add this to your story option. You can directly tap on this and then you can easily repost it without any problem. The next thing you can do is if they haven't tagged you in a post, you could just tap on the plus icon at the bottom left corner. Just go ahead and tap on that. And then you have these pop-up appear on your screen. You can either create with music or just create a story. You just need to go ahead and tap on this share story option. And then from here, you can just tap on share to. You can either send this to other people, and if they have enabled public story viewing, you could easily share this to your own story as well. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.